The botanical name for sunflowers is Helianthus, helia meaning sun and anthus for flower. Sunflowers are called tournesol in French, meaning turns with the sun. The showy large outer petals help attract many species of bees to your sunflowers, including honeybees and bumblebees. The center of the sunflower houses hundreds and thousands of tiny individual florets that contain nectar and pollen, a food source for bees. The stunning sunflower blooms are not only pretty and brighten the garden, but also make gorgeous cut flowers. Sunflower seeds are either black or gray striped in color. Black seeds are higher in oil, so are often used to make sunflower oil. There are also striped sunflower seed varieties. Both are used for eating. A handful of sunflower seeds are a quick way to stave off hunger. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of vitamin E, magnesium and selenium and a number of other nutrients. Enjoy as a snack in a seed and nut mix, in pesto instead of nuts. Sprinkle on salads or on your breakfast. Add a bird bath so they can bathe and drink at the same time, and keep insects under control too. If you have chickens, they love sunflower seeds too. They make an excellent poultry forage you can grow yourself. Just throw the flower heads into their chicken coop for them to self-serve. Sunflowers can absorb toxic heavy metal contaminants and poisonous chemicals in the soil. These include lead, arsenic, zinc, chromium, cadmium, copper and manganese. There are many sunflower cultivars with small to very large flower heads. Some are incredibly tall and impressive that make a real statement in the garden. Other sunflowers are compact dwarf varieties perfect for pots. Some have just a single flower on a stalk and others have several flowers on the one plant. The flower heads can contain 1,000 to 4,000 individual florets or tiny individual flowers. Each floret can potentially grow into a seed once pollinated. The large flower petals around the edge are individual ray flowers. These are sterile so don't form seeds. Some sunflowers are self-fertile. However, most aren't, so require bees to transfer pollen from one plant to another. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see the shadow. It is what sunflowers do.
We are
Still ticking.
and loving life.
Taking time out with our Prius.
We are
Still ticking.
and loving life.
Taking time out with our Prius.